Hi, I'm Shraddha Kapoor.
Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao.
And you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Well, we have with us the team of Stree, a movie that I'm personally looking forward to. I don't say that on camera for a lot of movies. The promo is hilarious. It's very wacky, and as Rajkumar Rao was telling a short while back, it's all about writing, and the writing looks very, very strong. So, Rajkumar Rao and Shraddha Kapoor, pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama, first of all.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you.
And how crucial is the writing for any film?
It is the most important thing. I think films are, as you know, somebody said, there are only two tables which are very important for a film. They can make or break a film: writing table and editing table.
Right.
So I think both have fit in perfectly for this film, I guess.
Writing table and editing table. Okay, what about you? You're having another very good film which is coming up, Batti Gul, Meera Chalu. I think the promo is outstanding.
You liked it?
Loved it actually.
I'm so glad that you did.
Yeah, it's outstanding. Actually, आप Twitter पे देखते नहीं हैं, वो शाहिद ने उसको retweet भी किया था, but in fact I posted that on Twitter as well.
You did? Okay,
yeah.
I'm really glad. Thank you so much.
Right.
And the
writing is very strong in that as well.
Yes, and I'm so happy that you said that you don't say that often, but you are genuinely excited about Stree. So that makes me really happy.
No, I loved it. When I saw the promo, it's so whacked out, and I think Pankaj Tripathi, I think he's a rock star.
He's just something else.
Yeah.
He's too good.
So when you heard that dialogue that उसका आधार से link है, I think it's become the line.
Yeah.
It's एक वो जैसे memes होते हैं, and I think it's become that.
Yeah.
So how did you react to it when you heard it for the first time?
So I wasn't there on set that day when that line was, was getting delivered, but I knew about it. It was in the script, so I knew that it would become a talk of the town with that line because it's hilarious. Somebody asking कि पर उसको स्त्री को सबका नाम कैसे पता लग जाता है? उसका आधार लिंक है सबके पास. It's so bizarre. It's so, as you said, it's wacky. It's bizarre. It's hilarious, but it's still funny. Yeah.
Right, and the entire idea of making a horror film and making it like into comedy, I think that in itself is quite interesting.
Yeah.
Did you find that interesting when you heard it for the first time?
It's such a unique concept, and when I heard the narration, it was like I was obviously laughing very hard, and I was just like, I'm so happy that such a unique film has been offered to me, and it was a gut decision. And I was just feeling like from inside, I was like, thank God ki they want to cast me in this film, thank God, because it's pure content, pure writing, pure content.
You're talking a short while back that Raj and DK, I think they bring certain thing to the table, which is like wacky and quirky in its own way, because the sort of movies that they've done in the past as well. But did you have an apprehension maybe if the last movie doesn't work, so their last movie didn't work on the box office?
I think it happens to everyone.
Yeah.
Like, that's not how I judge people based on their last film, if it has done well or not. Right. When I heard Stree's story and when I read the script, I just felt very excited about it. I think they're very different in their thought process. Their humor is very different. There's so much of thought behind, went behind that humor. And as we were talking earlier, it's not about as an actor that make some faces and make people laugh. Ki kuch funny kar do, sir. It's already in the situations. I just have to, as an actor, just genuinely react to in those situations, and it will turn out funny. I think that the whole credit goes to Raj and DK for that. Yeah.
Okay, and when you are told that that your co-star is Rajkumar Rao, so what was your reaction like? He's not the best of dancer, the way you've worked with the people like Shahid Kapoor and Varun Dhawan, but in terms of acting,
Have you seen him in Milegi Milegi?
I have seen it, yeah.
He is unbelievable.
He is? Okay.
He has stolen the show.
Oh.
And how?
Right.
And this is actually the majority of the feedback has been that. And he totally deserves it, because I think that, this is a side that he never spoke about. We've not seen before. And like a Chupa Rustam, he has come, he is prepared, and he has blasted on screen. And everyone on set was like, Raj, ye bhi side hai. You also have this side to you, and he does. So, aside from this, to answer your question, I was over the moon. I'm a big fan of his work, and he is one of my favorite co-stars, and I've told him this. And I would, in a heartbeat, without thinking twice, do as many movies as I'm offered with him, because he's a treat to work with. He's all about his craft, all about his work. He takes his work extremely seriously, which I think the level of seriousness with which he approaches his work is truly inspiring, and it's something that I really want to absorb, and I'm actually trying to put it into my work as well. I've always believed that I'm a hard worker. I've always felt like I've given 100%. Observing him has added a dimension to that for me.
बहुत तारीफें हो चुकी हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा. But you know, Shraddha was telling me a short while back that you know I'm a big fan of Rajkumar Roy for other reasons as well. The way he wriggles out of difficult questions of the journalist is an art in itself. सवाल कुछ.
Like?
We're not supposed to talk about that. We're not supposed to talk about that. We'll discuss it later.
So really, you would want to know about it.
Yeah.
Really, I've done that.
So basically, it's an art form. The way he wriggles out of.
He's lapetoing Faridun is fully lapetoing.
देखिए, आप बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस हैं. हम लोग भी एक्टर्स के साथ में रहते हैं, तो हम लोग भी थोड़ा बहुत एक्टिंग करना चाहते हैं. तो प्लीज लेट द शो बिगिन. ये सवाल पूछने का तरीका हो सकता है.
क्या हो रहा है?
अलग तरीके का हो सकता है. We will discuss it later. We will discuss it later.
Okay.
So you have an art in terms of how to wriggle out of any sort of difficult question. सवाल कुछ पूछा जाता है, इतने अच्छे तरीके से आप निकल जाते हैं कोने से, which is an art in itself. Do you agree with that now? Now you can see it on camera.
I've not seen this side.
Ajay, you have not.
No.
You will see today. You will see today.
Faridun.
You will see today. Okay, so but I think you are an artist. As far as that thing is concerned, you are an artist. Like the way you just wriggle out of any sort of question, which is like really, because many a times the celebrities, they tend to get a bit flustered, a bit like irritated or whatever. He is really cool when it comes to anything whatsoever.
I think that I've noticed that he's very cool, because I also feel like he is so clear about why he's here, period. He's here to be good at what he does. And that's why he's just cool about it. I mean, there's no reason to get flustered about anything when you know that what you're here to do.
Right.
I suppose.
No, definitely.
कुछ आ रहा है. कुछ आने वाला है, ऐसा लग रहा है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अपनी पिक्चर एंटरटेनिंग है यार, तो थोड़ा मतलब एंटरटेनमेंट क्वेश्चन जो है वो
पिक्चर बहुत entertaining है.
So even during the interviews, I think it's important because हम लोग का शो थोड़ा entertaining हम लोग रखने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Of course.
Apart from the general stuff as well. Okay, now you've done a Bose, and the way the entire web series paradigm has changed in the last few maybe months for that matter. It's totally like just turned around. How do you look at it as a medium now?
I think it's a great medium. Bose, I'm very proud of. It did really well. People are asking us so many times, when are you coming back with season 2? We want to see season 2, and it's in process. It will happen eventually. Sacred Games did so well, and there's so many shows on Amazon which are really good. So I think great times to make web series now, because people are they're A-lister stars, actors who are coming in and doing web series. Imran Hashmi is doing one now. Sonakshi Sinha is also doing. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
But so many people are producing and making web series. So I think great times, because all over the world, internationally, people are enjoying it. People are acting in it, making it beautifully, sometimes better than feature films. So I think it's high time that we also come up with some great web series.
Right. What about you? Is this something that you'd like to dabble into as well?
I think right now I'm only thinking about the films that I have to work on. I feel like my mind is and my heart is actually very, very deeply consumed with Saina, with Saho, also promoting the films that are going to be released. So I feel like for the next year or so, I will be focusing on films for sure. But you never know, like what may click, and there are no rules, so you never know.
Now, Rajkumar, you've made several films which are, which have like a political awareness to it and which have issues related to it. So, a lot is said these days that many a times film stars, they don't speak up enough. And like say, Kangana has recently just been part of this entire debate once again with the Sadhguru thing, and she's saying that artists should be speaking much more, and they're not willing to maybe take a stand or something like that. So, but at the same time, many a time it has happened if artists do take a stand and if they do speak up, so they are trolled heavily, and they're trolled so much that it becomes. It starts affecting their economic, financial issues as well happen in terms of their endorsements, the way they get affected. So how do you look at this? That it's a double-edged sword. But what is your...
It is, because you're a public figure, you're in public eye. It's easy for anyone to say anything if they don't, agree with your statement or if your point of view. So sometimes I know we have seen in recent past somebody has spoken about something, and people didn't take it in a right way, and of course they trolled it, and there's so many consequences that those actors had to face. So I think we are being more careful now. What to speak. Of course, you still have to put your point of view across, but I think you can be a little more careful with the words now.
You have to be more careful, more diplomatic. What about you? Like, say, your film, it's about the entire electricity element which is into it. So it does have a social issue around it, and because there are lobbies which are associated with something like that. So do you think twice before you whatever you have to say, or whenever you are asked, maybe, because many a times during the film events, you're asked something, फिर वो कुछ एक चीज़ उठा ली जाती है, and then it is just portrayed in an altogether different manner.
I definitely feel that is one issue which is quite prevalent, where a celebrity or a public person says something and the words are completely twisted around. I think that's also one of the reasons why people don't say much, because they're like, क्या फ़ायदा मेरा बोलने का, because if I say something as it is, the words will be misquoted or twisted around. But the way that I see it, I actually use my social media as much as I can to support certain causes or support the beliefs that I would really like to share with the world. And it doesn't necessarily have to be controversial or sensational, because it can be very simple. Like, I'm a big advocate of nature and preserving nature and preserving wildlife and all about animal welfare. And I think that those are very important issues as well. It doesn't necessarily always have to be something controversial or sensational. You have to be true to who you are, understand that you have a responsibility because you are in the limelight, and you must weigh your words accordingly.
In fact, there's a beautiful line in the promo of Batti Gul where you say, when you tell Shahid that जीतने से ज़्यादा लड़ना ज़रूरी ठहरा. I think that's a beautiful line. It's, I think, hugely inspiring.
Our writers, but we'll talk about that, Faridun, when we'll meet again for
sure.
Batti.
I know.
So,
I know we'll do that. I know we'll do that.
But just to continue on, like, with this, I feel really privileged to be a part of a film like Stree, because I think the writing is the star, and for this to fall into my lap, I'm really grateful.
All right, so now let's go into the entertainment zone once again. So after the intense stuff, so we have a few fun segments, and the first one is that basically, क्या है, हमने आपके साथ में खेला हुआ है, that how well do you know each other?
We've played so many now, Faridun.
So
It's
आपके
a
साथ
lot
भी
of
खेला हुआ है.
fun.
So there is actually novelty value नहीं है. Like, you have done the how well do you know it with Arjun Kapoor and other. You have done with Kriti Kharbanda. So we have another segment which is a bit different than that. So we have the segment that how well do you know Pankaj Tripathi, because I feel that he's a national award winning actor and he is part of your film. You have worked with him. So I feel that it can be a bit tough for both of you. Maybe simpler for you. You badly need to win this speaker, which you have not in the last few
I think he will
rounds.
win it also, because
Yes.
whenever, honestly, my interactions with Pankaj ji, as much as I love him and I am in awe of him, I would feel very shy to converse with him.
Right. No, but I'm sure that your competitive spirit will come in handy, and you'll surely try your best.
Trust me, she'll win.
because you have the.
I'm a giver.
Yeah.
I want people to have it.
No, please. We want you to fight. As if your heart and soul depends on this entire. It's a very prized thing, as you know. You badly need it as well. It's a
really
Bluetooth
wonderful
speaker,
Bluetooth speaker, yeah.
which is worth fighting for.
Okay.
All right. So she is competitive, and you'll see that how she fights for it. Okay. So how well do Rajkumar Rao and Shraddha Kapoor know Pankaj Tripathi? Let's find out about that. So there will be options as well.
Pankaj ji, we love you.
G.
We'll try. Yeah.
Okay. What is the debut film of Pankaj Tripathi? I'll give you options.
Okay.
I'll give you options. Aparan, Run, Omkara, Chintu Ji.
Chintu ji.
I don't know.
What was his debut film? I'll give you options. Aparan, Run, Omkara, Chintu Ji.
Omkara?
I can give you like a hint that the movie starred someone who had a relation with Hindi poetry, like his.
Omkara.
Omkara.
No.
I said it
The guy
first.
who starred in this film, he has someone who's related to Hindi poetry and the greatness in that. So, if you know the star cast of any of these films, Aparan, Run, Omkara, and Chintu Ji.
Chintu ji had Rishi Kapoor. He had no connection with any Hindi literature. Aparan had Ajay Devgan.
Aparan had Ajay Devgan. Run.
Run had Ritesh Deshmukh and Amit ji. Run. Run.
Yeah,
Amit ji.
Abhishek Bachchan. Abhishek Bachchan.
So Harivansh Rai Bachchan.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. So it was Run. Okay. And amongst which of the following languages has he not done a film in? Amongst which of the following languages has Pankaj Tripathi not done a film in? Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi.
You say.
Tamil.
It's Malayalam. So
Why did you lose this? He told me Malayalam. He's lost this point. Don't win it. Because you know him well.
1-0. Okay, 1-0. You know, trust me, you should see the episode of Akshay Kumar and Moni Roy. You'll see what competition is all about. She has fought for it as if her life depended on
We're
that.
very too fond of each other to
Right?
But
No,
we'll
fight.
fight. Okay,
Please.
we'll fight. We'll fight.
Please. Pankaj ji will be happier.
Yeah. Let's go.
Pankaj
Let's
will
go. Let's
be
go.
happier. Okay. What character does Pankaj Tripathi play in Sacred Games?
Agar bhai.
Okay, Khanna Guruji, Ganesh
Trivedi.
Gaitonde,
Trivedi.
Bunty, Sartaj Singh.
फिर से बुलाओ. फिर से बुलाओ.
Khanna Guruji,
Yeah, Khanna Guruji.
final jawab. Okay, so 2-0, he is winning so far. Okay, so Shraddha, you should try for this one.
Come on, Shraddha.
Which popular school has he learned acting from? Which popular school has he learned acting from? FTII, NSD, Barry John Acting Studio, Actor Prepares.
NSDO?
NSD is the right answer. Thank you. Bring this here. Oh, shit, man. How you want to make it competitive? Actually, 2-1. Come on. Okay, so what was the name of his character in Gangs of Wasseypur?
Very tough. Is it Raja? Sultan?
I love the movie.
Okay,
Shit.
he knows it. Sardar Khan, Sultan Qureshi, Nasir Ahmad, Ramadhir Singh.
No,
Oh.
no.
Try.
He knows.
अच्छा एक
He's
साथ
a-
बोलते हैं.
आप try करो ना.
1, 2, 3.
Sultan.
I think she said it first.
No.
I have a feeling that she
Yes,
said it.
fully
उसका
agree.
हल्का सा पहले है. Everyone else is saying that she said it first. It's 2
Not
all.
at all. I don't deserve this point at all.
2 all, 2 all,
Raj has
2 all.
fully helped me. Raj, why you helped
2
me?
all, 2 all, 2 all. चलो.
Okay,
Okay.
so 2
2 all.
all. You know, it's sounding so competitive. We'll
2 all, 2 all, 2 all.
Normally, actually,
As you said, na, editing table. So
I'm up for cheating and all. I'm
2 all,
very-
2 all.
I'm feeling
Manitu,
very
I'm your
noble.
friend.
Please
No.
don't be noble.
2 all.
Trust me, please don't be noble.
2
So
all.
2 all. This is very easy actually. You should participate in this. Okay. Which amongst the following has he not worked with? Ajay Devgan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan.
Say na.
What do you think? Guess na at least.
Say the options again, please.
Ranveer Singh?
Ajay Devgan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan.
Ranveer Singh. Guess na.
Wow.
You know, people who have been benevolent, they have regretted later. Trust me.
Say na yaar. Come on, guess at least. Okay, एक साथ. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ajay
Amir Khan.
Devgan.
Too much.
क्या दोस्ती है क्या दोस्ती है मतलब okay so all right so Amir Khan okay so we have 3-2 so far okay and we have one last one and you can equalize if you want to but it's a tough one for you okay his film Newton released in the year 2015 16 17
Yeah, that's
18.
my film also now. Some other question, yeah.
right 2000 okay that is 2017
Yeah.
that's all the
And the
questions that I
winner.
have that's all
अच्छा एक क्वेश्चन और कुछ बना लो कुछ ना यार.
अच्छा who plays Pankaj Tripathi's daughter in Bareilly की बर्फी
श्रद्धा नहीं. कौन है?
You also know.
अरे विल बी 3 all ना आधा आधा तोड़ लेंगे स्पीकर को आधा आधा.
साथ में बोले
1, 2, 3. Kriti
Kriti.
Sanon.
Kriti Sanon so I think
पहले उसने कहाँ बोला है?
he said it first मेरे पास सवाल ही नहीं है अभी इसके बाद
It's too much.
I don't have
दोनों
the-
एक साथ बोला.
I don't
I
have
think
the-
हल्के से कहाँ जो है ना वो राज का पहले आया था.
I don't have the questions after this so I think he has won it quite handsomely
No यार.
He fully
Okay,
has.
so
ये
you'll have
जो
to-
points मैंने deserve भी नहीं
You'll-
किए. You
yeah.
guys have given me.
you'll have to give the
I should
No,
give
I'll
him-
give her.
जी नहीं नहीं
No.
प्लीज आप थोड़ा सा आप बाद में आप कर लेना ना जो भी आप
No. Here you go, Raj.
Thank you Shraddha for helping me.
Thank you.
We were really close man. Yeah, काफी close था. Thanks. Finally.
But Pankaj ji, we love you.
Yeah.
And it's been amazing working with you.
Thank you Pankaj ji.
we'll start the rapid fire with the lady if you allow. You
Yeah,
just
please,
won.
please, please.
Okay, so rapid fire
With
with
the
Shraddha
three.
Kapoor. हाँ जी, so basically context के base पे है, okay, and accordingly we'll just go with it. Okay, the scariest horror story that you have heard.
I think the scariest horror story that I have, can I say a movie that I've seen? Is The Exorcism of Emily Rose.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what scares you the most?
Losing a loved one.
Losing a loved one. Okay, so true or false? Okay, you have to just say true or false, the following statements. Okay, I'm way more ambitious than what people think I am.
I'm way more ambitious.
What people think I am. You're ambitious.
I don't know what people think, so I don't know. I know that I'm very ambitious in my own way.
So true.
Yeah, true, true,
True.
Okay.
true.
Oh, you-
Say true now, edit में true
Okay.
लगेगा. True.
Yes.
true.
Yeah.
Say true.
Okay.
वो सिर्फ true नहीं बोलेगी बाकी सब बोलेगी.
Okay, now this is context based once again. I'm lucky enough to have found a man जो मेरे शरीर से नहीं मेरी आत्मा से प्यार करता है. ये आपकी फिल्म का डायलॉग है.
Yeah.
One second.
Promo
What do you
dialogue.
want me to say?
True or false?
कोई
आत्मा
तुम्हारी
से प्यार.
जिंदगी में कोई इंसान है जो तुम्हारी
Spiritual
आत्मा
level
से
पे,
प्यार
that level पे.
किसी ने ये डायलॉग तो नहीं मारा है.
Right.
स्पिरिचुअल प्यार. प्यार सिर्फ मतलब नहीं
You
लड़का
know,
लड़की वाला.
एकदम.
मतलब
मेरी मॉम,
Yeah.
मेरे पेरेंट्स.
yeah.
नहीं, but this is like primarily I think
थोड़ा
man woman sort
हाँ
of.
नमक डालना है इसमें.
हाँ, नहीं नमक की बात नहीं है. This is जो फिल्म में context है उसके उसी के हिसाब से.
कोई तुम्हें ऐसा मिला जो तुम्हारे शरीर से नहीं तुम्हें स्पिरिचुअली प्यार करता है. आत्मा
लाइफ
से.
में. True.
True ना. Web series are a better medium for storytelling than movies.
No, I think you can't judge the mediums. I think both the mediums will
Yeah.
be as effective.
Okay. Okay, you never thought you'll be in a horror genre film.
I don't know if I can do only a horror film because I'm very scared of horror. But this is a horror comedy, and I love the story, so I had to be a part of it.
Okay. So, Shraddha, what would you do if you meet these filmy characters at a scary location? If you meet these following filmy characters at a scary location, what would you do? Okay, Kamli from Sanju. If you met Kamli from Sanju at a scary location, what do you think you'll do?
I've not seen Sanju, sorry, so I don't know.
Oh, so,
Who is-
but you've seen the promos.
Who's Kamli?
Vicky Kaushal.
He is Sanjay sir's best friend.
Yes.
Firstly, I don't know if I'll only be in a scary location because I'm so scared.
This is a hypothetical situation.
But,
अपनी picture जो है वो उसके हिसाब
What would I do?
हाँ. You can have like a comic feel to it as well.
I would tell him to distract me from the scary environment and tell me everything about his interaction with Sanjay sir.
Okay, what would you do if you meet Amitabh Bachchan from Bhootnath at a scary location?
Then I know that I'll have a good ghost as company. So I'll have fun.
Okay, what would you do if you meet Circuit from Munna Bhai series?
Oh, I think that he'll make me laugh a lot. So I'll just be laughing.
What would you do if you meet Crime Master Gogo?
I think I'll hope that he's gotten a cape and an eye mask for me so we can both explore the scary place together.
Okay, what would you do if you meet Gabbar from Sholay?
Oh, I would first have to make sure he's in a good mood so he doesn't want to kill me. So I'll try to crack jokes and make him laugh.
Also, don't eat his salt, otherwise he might just kill you saying, "तुमने मेरा नमक खाया? अब गोली खाओ."
That's a good one. Okay, so within Rapid Fire we have a segment called Ye Ya Wo, either or. So you have to pick one. Okay, Ashiqui 2 ya Heather?
I can't pick. I can't pick.
Oh, okay.
I can't pick from any of my films really.
Okay, Games of Thrones ya Stranger Things?
I've not seen either.
Cupcakes ya Donuts?
Jalebis?
Cupcakes ya Donuts, if you will come to Jalebis.
I would say simple sugar donut.
Singing ya acting?
Acting.
Stree ya Mystery?
Striya?
Mystery.
Stri.
Okay, love marriage ya arranged marriage?
Love?
Window shopping ya online shopping?
Both?
Both. Alright, Rapid Fire with Rajkumar Rao now. Okay, the spookiest thing that you have experienced?
Oh, once as a kid, I was home alone, actually with my sister, not alone, and the whole night we kept thinking somebody was standing outside a room, and it was quite spooky.
Okay, yes or no? You just have to tell us that whether this is a yes or no. I was skeptical of doing Stree. I was skeptical of doing Stree. Were you? Yes or no?
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay. I believe that ghosts exist.
I believe there are energies and they exist.
I've never experienced a paranormal activity.
Not literally, but I've experienced it in my mind. I've imagined my own world and paranormal things.
Okay, what would you do if you meet these following scary characters? Okay, from films. Okay, Rukhsana Anushka Sharma from Pari. If you meet Rukhsana from Pari,
I'll give her all my love so that, you know, she doesn't... Yeah. Anyway, she was a good ghost. She was not a bad ghost.
Right.
And she was not actually a ghost.
Right.
Yeah, she was somebody who used to get these things every... I think there was something, I forgot exactly what was it. But yeah, I think it would be nice to be with her.
okay, Sanjana Vipasha Basu from Raz.
What would I do? I won't take her to any hill station. Yeah.
Okay, Ragini from Ragini MMS.
I was with her only throughout, so I know what all to do. But I won't do those kinky stuff anymore and I won't take her to a, you know, any aloof place, outskirts of Mumbai. We'll chill here only somewhere, some cafe. And no
Okay.
handcuffs.
Okay, now ye ya wo, either or. Okay, milegi ya kamariya.
Milegi.
Okay, tea or coffee.
Tea.
Chudail ya atma.
Chudel. Sorry, I'm just answering.
Please do.
I just love
Stree.
the word chudel.
Yeah.
Okay, ghost encounter in lift ya bedroom.
Bedroom, of course.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mumbai ya Delhi.
She might change her mind, you never know.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mumbai ya Delhi.
Mumli.
NSD ya FTI.
FTI. I'm from FTI.
Okay, Aligarh ya Newton.
Oh, both are very close to my heart, really. Tough to choose. Deals with very important issues, so can't say.
LSD ya Ragini MMS.
Again, tough, very tough, yeah. My first two films, yeah.
Okay, Nightfall ya Nightlife.
Nightlife every day!
Okay,
Who wants to experience Nightfall?
okay, Hansal Mehta.
I'm sure there's so many people who have no idea what Nightfall is,
Ji,
so
ji.
please
Ji,
ask
ji.
them to Google.
Alright,
So that they understand the trailer also when I
Ji.
say Designer Penti Nightfall, Nighty Fall. Yeah.
okay, Hansal Mehta ya Anurag Kashyap.
Hansel sir.
Okay, प्रेम भाव या मंत्र मुग्ध.
ठीक है.
ये
अच्छा,
पिक्चर
ओ,
नहीं आपके यहाँ.
ये?
प्रोमो
हाँ,
में है.
मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाते हैं. प्रेम भाव या मंत्रमुग्ध. प्रेम भाव.
प्रेम भाव. True or false? Okay, true or false? Aadhaar card is more important than PAN card.
Exactly, yeah. Aadhaar card is more important. Both are important, but
True.
yeah, Aadhaar card.
Aren't both
yeah.
important?
True. Okay.
True.
Okay.
Chalo, Aadhaar card because the dialogue is in our film.
जी.
Yeah.
मर्द को भी दर्द होता है.
True.
Good looks is an illusion. Real actors rely on their craft. Good writers and fine directors.
True, any day.
Okay, I did Fanne Khan because I got to romance Aishwarya Rai Bachchan on screen. 2, I was paid a bomb to be a part of it. 3, all of the above.
Sorry, I was paid a bomb to be a part of it. Okay.
3 options. I got to romance Aishwarya Rai Bachchan on screen.
2, I got paid a bomb.
2, I was paid a bomb to be a part of it. 3, all of the above.
None.
None.
He's extremely sincere.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, final segment we have. It is called Oh Boy, Yes I Have. Oh God, How Can I? Okay.
What are these new games you've come up with?
It's very interesting. It's very interesting.
Oh
Basically,
boy,
if you have
yes,
done
I
it, if you have
have.
done it, oh boy, if you have
Oh
done it, you
boy,
say,
yes,
oh boy,
I
yes, I
have.
have. If you have not and you find it like outrageous, you can say, oh God, how can I? Like this is like
God,
really,
how
God,
can I?
okay.
Oh boy, yes I have.
Oh God, how can I?
Ji.
Chalo.
So, oh boy, yes, I have. Oh God, how can I? With Shraddha and Rajkumar, discussed ghost stories on a night out.
Oh boy, yes I have.
Boy, yes, I have.
Played pranks on the sets of Stree.
Oh boy, yes we have.
Boy, yeah.
Okay.
We have.
Practiced an Oscar speech in front of a mirror. Itu has been like almost.
Oh boy, I would love to.
Oscar.
I can't say how can I. Oh
When
boy,
I was a
would
kid,
love
I
to.
have practiced a Filmfare Award speech, holding my dad's award.
Okay. So Oscar like oh God, how can as of now. All right.
Oh boy, I would love to.
Okay. Slept between takes.
Sorry?
Slept between
Oh
takes.
God, how
Oh
can
God,
I?
how can I?
Oh God, how can I? Okay. Lied to my parents while going for a date.
Oh boy, yes I have.
God, I haven't.
So you've never lied to your parents?
No.
then? Okay. You don't have to lie, basically.
Yeah,
You can just-
very chilled out.
Okay. Faced rejection for the role that you wanted to do?
Oh,
boy, yes, I have.
Okay. Experienced a paranormal experience?
Oh boy, little bit I have.
Oh boy, how can I? Maybe yes, I know. Haven't.
Okay. Tried clothes of the opposite sex?
Oh boy,
yes, I have.
I borrow my brother's t-shirts very
Yeah,
often.
when I was a kid, I once wore my sister's frock.
Okay. Lied in this game?
Oh God, how can I?
God, how can I?
Okay. Lied in the last question?
Oh God, how
God,
can I?
how can I?
Okay. All right, so thank you very much. So the hands are waving and it's time for curtains to, it's like basically right now 12 o'clock in the night and literally जो स्त्री का माहौल है एकदम रात का और एक घोंसली एटमॉस्फेयर ऑलरेडी क्रिएट हो चुका है यहाँ पर कुछ टाइम पे हवाएं बहेंगी और आवाजें आएंगी और साउंड इफेक्ट्स आएंगे so in that atmosphere we actually shot this interview. So thank you very much, and
Thank
it
you
was
for
so
having me.
as well
Thank
as it
you.
gets, and all the best wishes for the movie. I think it's
Thank you.
looking
Thank
really
you
good,
so
and I am
much.
pretty sure that I think it should work.
Thanks a
with
lot.
people.
Thank you. Always a pleasure.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, I'm Shraddha Kapoor,
Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao,
and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.